Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Nate. I'm actually doing a little airbrushing right now. I'm working on my buckle. I've got it painted gloss black, and I did a little wet sanding on it just to get it smoothed out a little bit better. And, I'm going to hit it with some Alclad II Spectral Chrome. I actually already did my rockets that go on the forearm. These are 3D printed, painted with gloss black, sanded the dog out of them, and then painted them with gloss black, and then hit them with that Spectral Chrome. And I actually been working on my buckles, shoulder buckles too, just trying to get them so that they look like real buckles and not just a piece of plastic. Anyways, I'm going to mix this, got to mix this stuff up pretty good, so I'll shake it up real good and hit this with that Spectral Chrome so you can see what it looks like. I don't think I need a whole lot. And I know I'm not going to wear a mask just because I can't talk. But, well, yeah, I'll put one on. What the heck? Hold on. If I can get it on. There we go. Anyway, so we'll do a little test. Yep, there it goes. And then I'm going to set it up on this so you can hopefully see it. I'm just going to do light, really light coat all the way around. It's already starting to look metallic with that nice sheen that it has. I knew that was going to happen. It's all right. Dang it. Just blowing all over the place. Let's see if I can slide it without messing it up. Get it on my hand. There we go. And that is super shiny. That just about does it. So, let me put this back on here so you can see how shiny it is, maybe. Just looks like a piece of metal now. I love that stuff, man. It's super nice. It's just, I mean, you probably can't tell on the video how shiny it is, but it's just reflecting every bit of light in here. Pretty cool. Anyways, just a quick video of doing some airbrush. I'm using this little cheap airbrush that I got on Amazon. And then I'm using my Spectral pneumatic little compressor that I got from Harbor Freight, probably like, I think I probably got that thing like 10 years ago, and it wasn't very expensive. But anyways, I'll try to put a link down in the description, and I've got some more stuff coming. I'm going to be out of town for the next few days, but man, last week I was sick, and it's just been hard to get out here and do a video, and I kind of was a little burned out on painting. I did so much painting and priming and sanding that I just kind of got tired of it. I needed a little break. But anyways, guys, got some more stuff coming up. Y'all stay tuned. Have a good one. Bye.